Alright guys, Louisiana Pepper 101 here today, making a video about the dog. Her dog that we just got out training, $3 grand, over $3 grand. 8 to 10 week course. We put her out at 9. They wanted to keep her another week, but we put her out a little bit early because of stuff she heard that they were doing to the poor dog. So I'm here making a video demonstrating what $3,000 at Louisiana Working Dogs in Abbeville, Louisiana can do for you. All right, demonstrate.
Zena, come on. Zena. Zena, come.
What's she chewing on?
Come on. Come on, Zena. Come on, Zena. Come on. Come on. Come on. Zena, come. Zena. Zena.
Zena. Zena.
Come. Come. Sit. Zena. Sit. Sit.
Oh, she knows how to sit.
Taught her how to sit.
She taught her how to sit.
Okay, now we're gonna start healing. Heel. Heel. You should be able to heal without a leash also.
Take the leash off. Let's see.
Zena, heel. Zena, heel. Zena, Zena, heel. Zena, heel. Come on.
This is what $3,000 worth of training gets you over there. Zena, come see. Zena, come over here.
Zena.